Welcome back to Black RV Online, everyone. Today I want to show you the Connect 302RIK. And first thing that I really have to say is when you walk in, you just get a real sense of openness in this camper. The dual opposing slide outs here, just really open it up and offer a lot of room. I have the upgraded theater seating here. Now, this one right here does have the heat and massage function, and of course you can see the light down here below. The cup holders built in, and those are wall hugging recliners that are very, very comfortable. Will lean all the way back so you can relax and watch the nice entertainment center TV right here. As you see, I've got my fireplace going, my little 30-inch fireplace. That is a very nice touch, especially if you're wanting to knock off a chill in the morning, because that's a 750 watt or a 1500 watt heater. Right here is your Furrion soundbar. Now that does also connect to speakers outside, so if you want to play the music outside, you can do that. It does also have Bluetooth capability and all of that. TV already in the unit standard. Of course, the cabinets I really like. Just the build of these cabinets are very nice. I love the wood they use, but try to give you as much storage in here as possible, as you can see all throughout right there. Also over here, there's additional storage up here, and you see these nice glass cabinets right there. That is a very, very attractive. And then down here, of course, just more storage. Of course, nice to have a place to set all your knickknacks, things like that. So more storage or more counter space over here. But this camper really is all about this kitchen. The rear island kitchen. And if you look, they got the stovetop here built into the island. They got the oven built into the island, and that's so you can get all this counter space back here. So it offers just a ton of counter space. And when you start looking at how many cabinets you have in here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers right there, a couple of doors up here, a couple of doors over here, more doors right here, got some nice big drawers over here, nice big drawer right there. Over here I've got more drawers, more drawers, more drawers, more drawers, another space up here, more places down here. In all, I've got 19 drawers and doors right here in this kitchen. And that is just fantastic, especially when you look at, that's not even counting the pantry. Look at that huge pantry this thing has. Just absolutely fantastic storage space here in the kitchen. It's got everything that you'd really want as far as a kitchen for an RV, and that's for sure. And like I said, all of this is nice, real wood. Tons of counter space. The sink right there, the nice large sink, and of course you're always going to get that high-rise faucet right there. Another thing, right here they give you this back window, and that back window really does help out, adds a lot of natural light coming through there, and just kind of opens it up. Table and 4 chairs is an option that I added in here. I really like the table and 4 chair setup, but if you notice also we got the big window right here, another window right there. So we got a lot of open space, a lot of big windows in this unit. And like I said, it just really makes it feel really, really open. 15,000 BTU air conditioner on here, so I've got my large air conditioner there, and I do have a 13,500 in the bedroom also. Got my big neo angle shower right there, so nice big shower right there. Got my medicine cabinet, sink, all that right here. Of course, porcelain foot flush. Then king bed. I love these new bedrooms right here. And you'll have to excuse us. We got doors we got to contend with in these videos sometimes. But nice big king bed right here. I really like that addition this year because all of my Connects now have the big king beds. 13,500 AC. And I mean, if you like a cold bedroom, that right there is definitely going to keep you nice and cool. You got the big long closets right there, so you can hang your shirts, pants, whatever you want in here. The additional, this is new this year also, give you a place back here where you can put a Coke or anything, keep a drink, something like that. But also you can charge your phone. Has USB ports on both sides, as well as we have plug-ins on that side. I see, don't think there is one on this side, but there is a plug-in over there on that side. As always, a place for a television. And as I'm looking up right here, this is for the Kingdom antenna, but as it says, pre-wired for Wi-Fi. So if you're wanting to hook up Wi-Fi, this one right here will do that. But I appreciate it, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. And join us again on the next video where we do the exterior.